All right, we have a 2007 Lincoln MKZ. It's in the shop. It's got a bad compressor on it. This is the old compressor. I done removed it. This is the new compressor I'm getting ready to install, and I'll video me installing it up in here. And goes right up inside here on the bottom side. But I'll show you how it comes out. I'll just film it and then edit the video where it looks like I'm replacing it. Okay, you're going to want to remove these 3 7mm screws here off of this right here. Pull it down. Now this car is supposed to have a panel on it underneath here that's missing, because I can see the mounting places for it. So them will be 7mm also. So you have to remove them, and then whatever they attach to back in here. This little side panel here, you're going to need to remove it. It's held on with these push clips. One here, there, and then there's one here that's up behind here. You'll have to reach under there and remove it. It just goes in here like this. Sits in there like that with them pins. Okay, to get the belt off, you're either going to need a belt tensioning tool, something like this. You use a 3/8 adapter, or use a 3/8 ratchet. Now this tensioner here, this is not off this car. This is off of a different car, but I was going to show you. See how that square 3/8 spot is there? You just go up there with your ratchet and then pry it off. Release the pressure of it, and then slip your belt off. Okay, to remove the belt, release the tension off the tensioner by pushing back towards the vehicle, and then just slip the belt off. Unplug the little electrical connector. It's just one of them push-in type. You push in the tab and it comes apart. Okay, we're going to get a little bit of better access when we get ready to bring this thing out. So we're going to remove the oil filter. There will be oil that leaks out of it when you remove it. Okay, right here, I'm removing the AC lines that bolt on top of the compressor, and they're held on with one 10mm bolt. A mounting bolt here on the back side of the compressor. The top mounting bolt, you have to go through here to see it. These are 13mm, but you can reach your hand up in through here and over the top with a wrench, and you can wrench both of them out also. Okay, see, I got that nut. I just took it all the way off. I flipped it over, I screwed it back on, but you don't want to go all the way. You gotta leave enough room to get a 13mm wrench in between this. Now I've got a 8mm by 1.25 thread pitch. I'm going to screw that on there. Okay, once we get this all the way loose, we're just going to leave that stud in place. Just leave it like that. That's going to come out with the compressor because it will not clear the subframe. Okay, once the compressor is completely unbolted, I'm just going to pry it out of the little tabs up here at top. It's got some little stud tabs right here. I don't know what they're exactly called. Dial pins. And I'm just going to drop it down and pull it out. If this video helped you out any at all, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.